This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures and the EAS operating handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will speak on the air shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important information will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. Many reports of flu spreading across the entire world. Many major cities across the world had been seen turning into blue. Many buildings, cars, trucks, humans, roads, animals, plants, rivers, and traffic signs have all turned into blue across the planet. It is believed that blue will spread across the entire world in 10 minutes. There is no way to survive this event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents in the United States and the rest of the world listening to this message, gather all of your family members, friends, pets, and do what makes you comfortable and brace for the end. If you are part of the religion, pray to your God or goddess. The president along with several world leaders have been killed and turned into blue. I have selected a religious scriptures of every religion to play on the air. Thessalonians 5:23. May the God himself, the God of peace, sanctify you through and through. May your whole spirit, soul and body be kept blameless at the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. This station will sign off for the last time with the playing of our national anthem. God bless you all. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.